Hello and welcome back to a new video here in the Trading for Everyone channel. Today we are going to talk about Etoro, one of the largest broker around the world. We are going to explain everything that you have to know before trading on Etoro. First, we're going to explain the main benefits and features that this broker gives to you. You can trade, for example, stocks and ETF. You can trade cryptocurrencies, and also you can trade CFDs, that are contracts for difference in different type of markets like commodities, index, and all different type of things. If you trade on stocks, you're not going to pay any commission. That is one of the best benefits that this broker gives to you. And you have a lot of stocks to invest in, also in the US market, European market like Great Britain, Germany, Italy, France, Spain, and also some of the biggest markets in Asia too. So you can trade also in different stocks, and you can select and copy different traders that trade inside the platform. This is one of the most significant difference between another type of brokers. You can trade by yourself, but if you don't have time or you don't have the knowledge to trade by yourself, you can delegate that to another type of traders that in this way you can create passive incomes. Also, you can lose money. You have to remember that your performance is going to be linked to the performance of that trader. If that trader goes well, you're going to earn money without doing anything in particular. But if that trader goes wrong, you also can lose money. So the main thing is you have to copy more than 5, in my opinion, to diversify your portfolio and lower the risk. But this is one of the most significant difference to another type of brokers. You can also trade cryptocurrencies. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, but you don't have a lot of things to choose in the cryptocurrency world. But the main ones you can trade in an easy way. Here are the different popular investors, the more successful ones, and you have to know that this is a regulated broker in the FCA regulation in the Great Britain, and also CSEC, that is the regulation in Cyprus, another country in Europe. Also is regulated in Australia, so depending where you are looking this video from, you are going to have different regulation in your account. It's a secure platform, and also privacy is a key, so you have to know that your information is private inside Etoro. So what else? Here we are going to talk about fees. That's a really common question. How much you have to pay to trade inside this broker? Well, we already said that if you trade ETF or stocks inside the Etoro platform, you are not going to pay any fees. You don't have to pay any management fees that maybe another type of broker charge you, and you don't have to pay any fees at all to open the account and keep it open for the long run. So that's a really wonderful tool, because if you trade stocks, you are not going to pay anything at all, but you are going to pay another type of fees. You are going to explain that in detail. So no commission, no management fees, no rollovers, no ticket fee, no additional broker fee. So that's also for stocks and ETF. How this broker earns money if you don't charge you any fees? Well, they charge you if you trade in cryptocurrency. Also, they charge you if you trade in CFDs, for example, currencies, commodities, index, and different type of CFDs like index and CFDs of cryptocurrencies. So these are the main fees, but you can look in detail the difference between one and another one. What else? Another type of fees, if you withdraw money, it's a flat rate of $5. So if you withdraw, for example, $100, you're going to pay $5 in fees for a withdrawal. And if you withdraw a bigger amount, for example, $1,000, $2,000, you always pay $5 as a fee. So remember that it's better to withdraw a bigger amount of money in order to reduce the percentage that these $5 represent to the whole amount of money. If you deposit money, you don't have to pay any fee at all. And if you are inactive for a whole year, for example, after 12 months with no login activity, a 10-month inactivity fee will charge you on your account. So remember to log in once per year. That's important. So what else? Here are the common questions, facts. So all these links I leave you below the video, so you can read it in details. Then they introduced copy portfolio some years ago. Copy portfolio is like you delegate your money to Etoro, and Etoro invests that money in a smart way, and you can invest in different type of products. We are going to explain this in detail when we enter to the account. So for example, you can copy the portfolio of Warren Buffett, and you can also invest in different sectors of the economy. For example, we're going to explain this in detail a few minutes after. Etoro also has an insurance that will protect you in case that Etoro has financial problems in the future. So this is another important thing to keep in mind. Etoro starts their operations in 2007, and then they keep improving their platform, focusing on the customer experience. We are going to explain that it's really easy to trade, to open a trade, to close a trade, and to know all the information, how it is displayed inside the platform. You also can download the application and trade from your phone. In 2013, they incorporate stocks. You trade stocks since 2013. And also they started the copy portfolios, something that we explain and we're going to explain in detail a few minutes after. They also incorporate 2017 the cryptocurrency world, so now you also can trade cryptocurrencies inside the platform. And in 2018 they expand their operation to the United States, but only for cryptocurrency trading for now. In here you can look at the platform, how it looks like, and if you decide to open an account, you can use the link that I leave you below the video. You can create your account in an easy way with your email, with a password, and then you can go on. If you use the link, you are going to be helping the channel to keep growing. Then when you create an account, you will have $100,000 as a free virtual money. In this way you can trade, you can experience, you can make mistakes, and you are not going to be worried because it is not real money. It is like a fake money. In this tab, Watchlist, you will have all the different products, all the different assets that you are following, so you can create your own. For example, if you like Tesla stocks, you can search Tesla in here and then click in this button, so you're going to incorporate that one into your watches. For example, in here you will have the portfolio, the things that you are invested in. For example, you can copy my portfolio. For example, if you look inside, search inside this, and you write it down Christian, you are going to look at this profile. In here you can see that in 2021 I already earned 27% year to date. Here you can look at my portfolio. These are the stocks that I already invested in. For example, Daimler, for example, BAF, Carrefour. These are one of the most well-known stocks that I invested in. And also I already invested in the Ethereum, that is already 500% up. In here, this chart shows that if you copy me with $10,000 in 2020, today you would have $14,000 now. So this is showing the performance and the evolution of the portfolio around the time. In here you will have the trade markets. In Discover, you can look at all the type of investment that you can do inside the platform. For example, you can invest in stocks that we already explained. You can select in here all the different stock markets in the world that you can invest in. For example, Hong Kong, London, Madrid, Milan is Italy, United States, Paris, France, Saudi Arabia, and a lot of things around the world. And also you can filter by industry. For example, if you are interested in healthcare or financial stocks, you can click in here and it automatically filter or the 413 stocks that are related with the financial world. In trade markets, you can also invest in ETF. ETF is a type of investment asset that you can copy different type of products around the world. For example, you can invest in technology, you can invest in marijuana, you can invest emerging markets, in gold, in silver, in a lot of things. You can invest by selecting different ETF that trades around the world. What else? In here you also are able to invest in 16 different cryptocurrencies, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the main ones. Then You will also be able to invest in index. You can invest in the Australia stock market, in the Chinese stock market, in the French stock market, and Hong Kong, and different around the world. And to end with, you can also invest in commodities. Commodities are, for example, you can trade the oil, trade the natural gas, the platinum, also the wheat, a lot of things that you can trade inside the platform. To end with, we are going to explain currencies, for example, the Euro USD. This is one of the most popular one, also the GBP in comparison with the pound, in comparison with the US dollar. Copy trade, in here you can select and copy different profiles that operate inside the platform. For example, you have a lot of traders to choose between, and in here you also can choose mine if you are interested in it. But you also, how you can copy a portfolio, you select this one and then you select copy, and in here you define the amount of money that you want to copy with. For example, you click in here and copy, and that's it. You are going to copy this trader and you are going to earn money as a passive income. If that trader perform well, you are going to get money. If that trader perform in a wrong way, you're going to lose money. So remember that. To end with, we already explained that copy portfolio is another type of investment. Remember, to invest in copy portfolios, you have to, if you have more than $5,000, so it's not for people that has less than that amount of money. So for example, if we want to copy a portfolio that invests in type of payments, you can select this one. Or for example, you want to invest in the marijuana stocks, so you can select this one, and then you can click here in invest, and in here you will see all the different stocks that this portfolio invests in. So for example, clicking here invest, so in here you have a lot of things to choose between. For example, you can copy a different type of traders selected by Etoro. Then in here you can also copy, for example, the portfolio that Warren Buffett has. For example, in the last 12 months this portfolio earns 74%, so it was interesting. To end with, how you have to do to deposit funds, you can click in here deposit funds, then you can select the type of payment that you will have to use to fund the account. For example, credit or debit cards. You can also select PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, or also bank transfer, if you can transfer the funds from your bank directly to the Etoro platform. You complete your details and then click in deposit, and that's it. You will find your account and then you can start trading. For example, how you have to do to buy an Apple stock, you search in here Apple, trade, and then you select the amount of money that you want to invest in Apple, and then click here set an order. Now the market is closed, so that's the reason why we can't trade right now. This is the end of the video. You can follow us on Instagram, and you can also join the group that we already have. If you already didn't, you can subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment if you like this video, so we can create more content in the future. So see you in the next video. Bye.